elegant automation. It all starts with you, your process, your insight, your need. At Lehnen Industrial Services, we understand that our first job is to listen, to understand your problem and the way you envision success before we start designing. Then we apply our experience and forward thinking to create purpose-built machinery that perfectly fits your need.
In 2000, we decided to, as a family, move to Keene, New Hampshire for better quality of life. We were doing industrial control systems, mainly on the control side, and we found some industries here locally that could use our services, and we started designing entire machines and systems for mainly the life sciences industry, because this area, there's a high concentration of life science.
We mostly specialize in robotics with life sciences, so medical applications. For me in particular, I have done a lot more electrical work than I used to do. I've always predominantly been mechanical. We do specialize in trying to minimize the footprint of all of our machines, and we specialize mainly in taking a machine that already exists or a machine design that somebody else needs and making it as small and compact as possible to reduce footprint.
We focus on the life science industry, where there are parts that need to be assembled, parts that need to be tested, and processes that need to be tested. We also specialize in web handling, which serves a different industry typically, and it's where you unwind some material, typically from a roll. You process it in some way, whether you coat it or cut it or print it, and that requires very specialized techniques and systems for doing that.
We've worked hard to hone our skills, streamline our systems, and perfect our craftsmanship so we can be radically creative while delivering on every promise.
So customers don't find us in the typical way that most B2C customers find their vendors. The projects that we do are totally custom, and they can be, some of them, upwards of $1 million. And so they can make or break careers. People don't Google us and just pick us because our website looks nice. It usually comes from a recommendation from a colleague or from case studies. They're putting a lot of trust into a company that can really impact their careers personally and their companies.
There's a lot of restrictions with customers in the size of the machine that they can use, or if it's a particular application that needs a specialized machine, then we really try to work with the customer and give them exactly what they want and what they need to refine their processes.
The biggest thing here is creative thinking. It's all about creativity. Every project that we have is a new solution. It's a new invention, essentially. We don't really service customers who can find a commercial solution that's available out on the market. They come to us when that doesn't meet their need. They need something particular to them. So every single thing that we do is brand new.
In 2024, we teamed up with key partners to create Lehnen Lab. The lab is a hub of experimentation, a proof of concept center, and an educational resource with cutting-edge technology, available for use at no cost. Students use the lab to bridge the gap between the classroom and the workplace. Customers use the lab to achieve proof of concept and learn new technologies. We and our partners use the lab to demonstrate capabilities, conduct trainings, and host events centered around our customers' needs.
For years now, we've been trying to find the best way to promote our company. And we felt like it would be very useful to partner with major manufacturers that are the key components in industrial automation.
We've been building custom manufacturing equipment for a couple decades now, and using a lot of reasonably high-end equipment from various suppliers, and we've got good reputations with them, good experience helping to show off their product and what it's capable of.
Lehnen Labs has given us this space in order to do assembly, prototyping, and they've also offered us their expertise in automation to benefit us and further develop our project. The lab promotes collaboration between us as students, but particularly also with Lehnen and their expertise. The people within the company that I'm able to use as a reference, for example, would definitely benefit my future career-wise.
Above all, we promote creativity. True innovation only happens when we are free to see old problems in new ways. That's how we deliver elegant solutions. Elegance in style and aesthetics. Elegance in efficiency and function.
I expect Lehnen Industrial Services to be a useful resource to our customers and to be a useful force in our community, to continue to grow and to employ very talented people, to provide solutions for our customers. We expect to continue to provide unique, purpose-built equipment that stands out from the typical industrial automation.
For more information, visit LehnenDesign.com.